Today I will show you how to build a basic Comfy workflow from absolute zero and generate your first image. No confusion, no fancy stuff, just a minimum nodes you need. By the end you will have prompt, generate, save, and you will understand what each node does. Think of Comfy like Lego blocks. Each block is a node. You connect the nodes to create a pipeline. Our simplest pipeline is load a model, write a prompt, create an empty image space latent, sample an image, decode to a real image, save the image. In ComfyUI, you can add nodes in two ways. Method 1, click add node, then choose a category, then a subcategory, then the node. This works, but as a beginner, it's sometimes hard to remember where a node lives. Method 2, the easier way out, just double click anywhere on the campus and type the node name. This is the fastest and easiest method, so we will mostly use this today. Double click on the canvas and type checkpoint loader, simple, add it. Checkpoint is basically the brain that generates the image. In this node, choose a model from the drop-down, pick any model you already downloaded. If you don't see any models here, it means the model file isn't in the right folder. We will cover that in another video. Now double click and type clip text encode, add it. This node converts your text into something the model can understand. In the text box, type a simple prompt, example, a cute tiger wearing a spacesuit, cinematic lighting, high detail. Now connect from checkpoint loader output clip into clip text encode input clip. Duplicate this node or add another clip text encode prompt for the negative prompt. In the text box, type blurry, low quality, distorted, extra fingers. Connect the same clip output from checkpoint loader into this negative prompt node too. Double click and add empty latent image. This defines your image size and batch. Set width and height to something beginner friendly like 512 by 512 or 768 by 768 or 1000 by 1000. Double click and add K-sampler. This is the engine that actually draws the image. Now connect from checkpoint loader model to K-sampler model, from positive clip text encode conditioning to K-sampler positive, from negative clip text encode conditioning to K-sampler negative, from empty latent image latent to K-sampler latent image. Settings for beginners, steps 20, CFG 7, sampler keep default, scheduler keep default, seed set to random or keep any number. Now double click and add VAE decode. This converts the latent into a real image you can view. Connect from K-sampler output samples to VAE decode samples. From checkpoint loader output VAE to VAE decode VAE. Double click and add preview image or save image. Connect from VAE decode output image into preview image input images. Now click Q prompt. You should see the image appear. To save, add save image and connect the same image output into it. Then Q prompt again. If you get an error, usually a connection is missing, most common, or your model isn't selected in checkpoint loader, or width height is too high for VRAM, reduce to 512. Congrats, you just built a full workflow from scratch. In the next video, I will show you how to make it better. Upscaling plus better prompts plus faster settings.